Welcome to Sunday on the Homestead. Got some homestead cleaning going on with our little robo vacuum because someone's a hairy girl. We've got Sunday brunch, waffles going on up there, and we've got growth inside on the homestead. Our indoor wall garden. So we've got parsley and some chives. We just planted out some bok choy seeds and different lettuce varieties here that we've transplanted into our hydroponic rail system. I built this rail system. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, Connor Homestead, from a downspout. Just cut it, paint it, sealed the ends. So the bok choy is really thriving in this system. You can see here, up here. This is a purple bok choy. But the lettuce, not so much. So I'm going to transplant this one out. This one's doing pretty good. So, yeah, it just didn't do well. But you can tell here the bok choy, its roots are nice and long. So I think I'm just moving the lettuce in too soon, that the bok choy develops longer and stronger roots quicker, even though they both kind of germinate at the same rate as far as the leaves, the true leaves, and the first set of leaves. So I'm going to wait. These have been here for a while, so I'm going to transplant these to replace some of the ones that just didn't make it. And you can check out, yeah. Nice roots on the bok choy. That's an update this Sunday. What is today? October 28th?
28th.
Not October.
August, baby.
August 28th. August 28th on the homestead.